Hello, welcome to Experimental Animation Techniques from the pioneers of creative education. This Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit takes students through the concept of stop-motion animation in detail and guides them to produce animation works that nurture artistic, communication, storytelling, and presentation skills. The various digital activities that are part of this kit introduce children to software applications that help generate professional animation content. The fully loaded, age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses animation supporting material, material for animation preparation, electrical and electronic components, art and craft materials, model making materials, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms, a content-rich book with step-by-step instructions. Using this toolkit, the children will be able to perform 23 engaging experimental animation activities. The traditional animation activities help to create optical illusion drawing, isometric drawing, movable paper puppets, animation toys like thaumatropes, flip books, and a lot more. The digital stop-motion activities include creating animations with a varied number of frames and with models and cutouts made using a range of materials. In addition, through a robotic activity, they get an opportunity to create a sensor-controlled recycle bin using robotics and programming, thus improving their logical thinking. The experimental animation activities enable children to use geometrical instruments to measure and draw with precision, exhibit human skeletal system with an understanding of movement of different parts, demonstrate knowledge on body movements and skeletal system of animals, demonstrate the action of a magnet on different objects, classify materials based on observable properties, demonstrate an understanding of different types of motion, identify 3D objects around them, construct models by using local materials and explain their working, create an automated model with a variety of hardware components and programming. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today!